So like pretty much you can see how thin the shingle is there. As soon as I try to lift it up, it kind of, it's already cracking like. So the laminate tabs are coming apart because it's so old that the tar strip there, see how it just rips because it's so brittle. And then the laminate all coming apart because the tar is no good already. That's how old it is. So pretty much just attempting to, I gotta loosen 3 rows in order to get 1 out, because all this has to be free from sticking with the tar, or else once you put pressure on it, it'll just rip like this. But either way, it's almost unrepairable already. Like every time you lift up one shingle and do this to it, you're making it weaker and weaker already, and it's just breaking. But in order to pull this one out, all the nails from here need to be out, because it gets double nailed, you see, with the overlap. So as you can see, that shingle is broken. And so is this one from me trying to lift it up.